For those who enjoy cooking at home, I'm sure there are occasions when you would really prefer a warm, healthy, and tasty homemade meal. However, time is just not on your side. Well, in this episode, I'm going to share one of my go-to recipes for such an occasion, which has never failed me. Buckle up, let's go. For this recipe, we need about 2 cups of chopped mushroom. Any type is fine. I am using the snow white mushroom. Good name. Remove the dirty roots. Cut into 2 centimeter long pieces. One note here, try not to cut the mushroom too tiny as they shrink after being cooked. Dice about 1 pound of pork. While ground pork certainly works, the texture is just very different, and I prefer diced pork and strongly recommend for this recipe. Set aside, and we're going to cut some scallion rings, about 5 bulbs. Separate the green part from the white parts because we're going to use them in a different time. 1 teaspoon of minced ginger root, now, let's season and tenderize the pork. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of 5 spices, 1 teaspoon of salt, mix. One and a half teaspoon of starch. Mix well. One tablespoon of cooking oil. And mix again. In a heated pan, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, stir fry the minced ginger root and white scallion rings. Relatively white. You know what I meant. Add in the diced pork. Stir fry until the pork gets brown. Add in the mushrooms. One and a half teaspoon of salt. followed by half a cup of water. Bring to a boil. Simmer for about 1 minute. Add in the liquid starch, which is 2 teaspoons of starch with 2 tablespoons of water, until the sauce gets thicker. Add in the green scallion rinds. Switch up the heat, stir fry for a few times, just a few. Pour the sauce on top of the cooked noodles, any type of noodles. Add some grains. And drizzle some sesame oil. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. I hope you have had fun in this episode. Please click on the like button. If you're new, also subscribe and check out the other exciting and easy to follow homemade authentic Chinese recipes on my channel. Alright, I'll see you around.